Morning. This video is a walkthrough of how to access Brightspace, which is the online learning platform that you will be using to access the online training materials for your upcoming MDMA therapy training in Israel. So, if you have not yet logged into Brightspace, what you see in front of you is what the login screen looks like. So by now, you should have received an email from Brightspace that includes your username, which is formatted as first name dot last name. So I'll just use me as an example, typing in here. My name is Corey, first name. My last name is Westbury. So I type that in, and then I type in the password that I created. If you have not been able to create a password, you can click this Forgot Your Password link. It will take you here. You will need to enter your username, which again is first name dot last name. I don't need to actually reset my password right now, so I'm going to cancel this. All right, so let's log in together. My username is a little bit different, but again, yours will be formatted first name dot last name. Mine is actually Corey.learner, just to keep things simple on my side. You type in your password, you click login, and this will be the home page for Brightspace. I have a lot of courses that I'm logged into right now because I'm an administrator. But for you, the only course you'll see under My Courses the first time you log into Brightspace is MDMA Therapy Training, September 2022, Israel. So you'll click that tile, and this takes you into the course, okay? And this is where you want to be so you can get started on your online course materials. If you click on Course Home, this will be a great way to get directly to all the units. You'll need to start with the Getting Started guide. So you would open that up and click on Launch Unit. I would also recommend clicking this little icon in the upper left-hand corner to expand what's called the navigation sidebar. This will help you stay organized as you're moving through the course, and you'll notice you can navigate through the Getting Started guide using these arrows in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. It'll take you to each activity. I am going through this kind of fast, but I definitely encourage you to spend some time reading through this information, reviewing any help articles to help you get familiar with the online learning platform. And if you ever have questions, you can always email trainingsupport@mapsbcorps.com. You can also contact the MAPS Israel office. We're in super close contact with them, and they can pass your information along to us as well. I do want to note that you are required to submit these 4 tasks under Getting Started Guide Assessment before you can access the rest of the learning materials in the course. So what that means for you is that that will be the first thing you need to do when you access the course. It involves submitting a training application for program providers, a confidentiality agreement, an acknowledgement of course requirements, and a pre-test. So make sure that you're able to submit those first, and then you will be able to access the rest of the content in the course. But again, the reason you're receiving this video is because we added you to Brightspace several weeks ago and have noticed that you have not logged into the course quite yet. So we wanted to send you some additional resources so you feel supported and know who to ask for help if you're not able to get into Brightspace. So again, this is created on behalf of the training team, and if you do have any questions about this information, please send an email to trainingsupport@mapsbcorps.com. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day.